Hey, what's going on guys? Asad here, and in this tutorial I'm gonna talking about the abstraction. So what abstraction does is it's the main sense of computational process which general rules and concept derived from usage. So the real matter of this is it will hide complexity from your code base and your programming. So in that way uh, your codes don't leak outside. So what we can do now is first, what the heck, that's bad. So earlier we created this, you know a constructor method. And now what we're gonna want to do with it is a, it make a function which show the location of the object, so later we can uh, locate that. So how we're gonna do is this dot, we're gonna create a new function called show location, and then it will be a function, as you know. And what next thing is, we're gonna log the console out of the location, new location I mean. So this dot new location, and we need to create that, which will be, and then which will be added to default location. So that location, when this function called, there is a function which can create now this dot new location. It will be a function, and when we call, it gonna return you a default location plus a new location. So first I need to create a default location. So this dot, don't get scared, this is all gonna be easy now. Just hang of it. Default location, and it would be a function. So yeah, and the default location will be, you know uh, is an object which uh, no, default location it not be an object. I think it should be not a function but a object. So what it does is x equals 0 comma y equals 0, and then the new location, what it does is return the new location by x, and this dot default location, this one, and his property of x plus this dot side. Okay, and there is another which is y. So y will be y, this dot default location dot y plus this dot side. Now you might realize that it's a big, not only a big mess, but also a weird thing that we just pass one property and it becomes so damn large. Now the big problem is, if we create a const with a new object, another, and which will be equals to new square, and pass 2. and we think that think about it, that we do not need the new location, but it is still gonna print it. Is that a big problem or not? So this is what the problem is. Like we and when we call this like another location, sole location, and when we call that, it gonna show the new location. But if we call what we call a new location in the earlier, it will change the state of a very bad state, like that would be then after we print it, it would have very bad effect on the object, you see. So not only just it's a bad coding practice, but also very heavy task. So what we need for to solve this problem, we need a private object. So how we gonna create private objects? That would be that would be the our next tutorial, topic for our next tutorial. So uh, please see the next video, or you might not understand this. So hope you guys understand. See you guys in the next tutorial.